If you'd like to see how I was able to grow this Paperwhite bulb and Amaryllis bulb kit from this to this, stay tuned. Hi everyone, this is Altavis from Emerge Garden Estate. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Let's get into today's video. Today I have two Paperwhite bulb kits. One is an Amaryllis and one is a Paperwhite bulb kit that I'm going to show you guys how I grow easily for the holiday season. So the first step is I am using the cocoa peat disc that was in the packaging, and I'm preparing it with 2 cups of water. We're going to wait for it to expand for a few minutes. Once it expands, we're going to go to the next step. So continue to watch the video. By the way, guys, I'm using 2 cups of warm water. Keep in mind I'm using 2 cups of warm water so we can make sure that the cocoa peat disc expands correctly. Also, I had purchased my Paperwhite bulbs last year. I'm hoping I have a winner this year, guys, so let's cross my fingers. You can also purchase your Amaryllis bulbs at your local big box store or support your nearby mom and pop garden store as well if they do have Amaryllis or Paperwhite bulbs for the holiday season. So I decided to create a side-by-side video of the Paperwhite bulb disc and the Amaryllis bulb disc as I prepare the next step to get ready to insert the bulbs in both planters. So check out the video while I show you these simple steps to have these beautiful bulbs blooming in the next coming weeks as we prepare for the holiday season, or once you see this video, we are already in the midst of Christmas Eve going into Christmas Day. Let me know in the comment section down below, you guys, if you'd like to already purchase your Amaryllis or Paperwhite bulbs already in blooming season so you can just enjoy them when you get home for the holidays with your family and friends, or do you like to also grow them like I do throughout the mid-October up until the holiday season and watch them bloom as well. Next, I'm going to insert the cocoa peat disc that's already broken up into this 2-quart red planter for the Amaryllis bulb, and I'm going to next insert the Amaryllis bulb. Keep in mind, guys, do not overpack the Amaryllis bulb because you want to make sure that the stem is exposed, but make sure the remaining of the root is in the cocoa peat disc. So off camera, I already had prepared the Paperwhite bulbs 2-quart planter, and this is what they look like after I added the cocoa peat disc with some water, and I separated those 3 bulbs because in the packaging there were 3 bulbs, so I make sure I create like a diamond shape so when the stems start to shoot up, they'll have a lot of room for all the Paperwhite bulbs to kind of bloom and look really beautiful, and also the Amaryllis too. So let's wait for the coming weeks and see what they look like. So 6 weeks later, these are the final results of these festive holiday bulbs. I kept them watered every day and kept them near a bright window so they can receive sun and they can bloom without any interruption. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enjoy the holiday season. Bye.